School Board. We have here Dr. Jennifer Dempsey. Good morning, Dr. The Principal of Iligan City National High School, Dr. Sam Gomez. The Education Program Supervisor of the School Governance and Operations Division, my DPP, meet, Yagining Tanan. So ako na lang nag-facilitate as to the mga tinanglanang tinagmay, but as to the man Yagining Tanan, long-term mga initiatives from the start. So again, let us give a big round of applause to our new Education Program Supervisor na nakakuha sa kuha position. No, because I am related to the Chief Education Program Supervisor matters. We also have with us the President of the Iligan City Association of the Private Elementary and Secondary Schools. One team also. We have Sir Jay Velez, the President of the La Salle Academy. We also with us this morning the Chairman of the Child Protection Policy sa Palarong Pambansa. Please stand. Wushu and wrestling. This man. And wrestling. Where are the wrestling? Wushu. Wushu. Tora.